Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to explore one of the most profound topics of our time, investing. Not just any kind of investing, but the kind of investing that has made legends out of men like Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett. These two titans of finance have not only amassed incredible wealth, but have also shared their wisdom with the world, leaving behind a legacy that transcends money. Their approach to investing is not just about numbers. It's about philosophy, discipline, and a way of life. So let's dive into the principles that define their success and how you can apply them to your own life. Before we talk about stocks, businesses, or balance sheets, we must first talk about mindset. Jim Rohn often said, "Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change." And the first change you must make is in your thinking. Munger and Buffett didn't become great investors by accident. They became great by design. They cultivated a mindset of patience, curiosity, and lifelong learning. Buffett once said, "The most important investment you can make is in yourself." This is the cornerstone of their philosophy. You see, investing isn't just about putting money into the market. It's about putting time and effort into your own growth. Read books, study industries, understand human behavior, and develop a deep appreciation for how the world works. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Munger, Buffett's longtime partner, is famous for his concept of mental models. He believes that to make sound decisions, you need a latticework of multidisciplinary knowledge. This means drawing insights from psychology, history, economics, and even philosophy. The broader your understanding, the sharper your judgment will be. So, start building your mental models today. As Jim Rohn would say, formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Compound interest is the process by which your money grows exponentially over time, as you earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns themselves. Buffett and Munger have harnessed the power of compounding to build their fortunes. Buffett started investing at a young age, and by letting his investments grow over decades, he turned modest sums into billions. The key here is time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. As Jim Rohn often reminded us, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. But compounding isn't just about money. It's also about knowledge and habits. Every book you read, every skill you acquire, and every good habit you develop compounds over time, leading to extraordinary results. So, start investing in yourself and your finances today. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. At the heart of Munger and Buffett's strategy is value investing. This approach, pioneered by Benjamin Graham and refined by Buffett and Munger, involves buying stocks or businesses that are undervalued by the market. In other words, you're looking to buy dollars for 50 cents. But how do you identify these opportunities? It starts with thorough research. Buffett spends hours reading annual reports, analyzing financial statements, and understanding the competitive advantages of a business. He looks for companies with strong moats, those unique qualities that protect them from competitors, whether it's a powerful brand, proprietary technology, or economies of scale. Munger adds another layer to this by emphasizing the importance of quality. He famously said, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." This means focusing on businesses with excellent management, sustainable growth, and a clear path to profitability. As an investor, your goal should be to think like an owner, not a trader. Don't get caught up in the daily fluctuations of the stock market. Instead, focus on the intrinsic value of the businesses you're investing in. As Jim Rohn would say, don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. In a world of instant gratification, patience is a rare virtue. But for Munger and Buffett, patience is non-negotiable. They understand that great investments take time to mature. Buffett has often said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." This requires discipline, the ability to stick to your strategy even when others are panicking or getting greedy. During market downturns, while others are selling in fear, Buffett and Munger see opportunity. They know that volatility is the friend of the long-term investor. As Jim Rohn put it, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. To cultivate this discipline, you must have a clear plan and the courage to follow it. Avoid the temptation to chase hot trends or time the market. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of high-quality investments and let time work in your favor. Investing is as much about understanding yourself as it is about understanding the market. Munger and Buffett are masters of emotional intelligence. They know how to keep their emotions in check, avoiding the pitfalls of fear and greed that ensnare so many investors. Buffett's famous advice is to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This requires a level of self-awareness and emotional control that doesn't come naturally to most people. But it's a skill that can be developed through practice and reflection. Jim Rohn often spoke about the importance of managing your emotions. He said, "You must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself." In investing, this means taking responsibility for your decisions and not blaming the market or external factors for your losses. One of the most striking aspects of Munger and Buffett's approach is its simplicity. They don't rely on complex algorithms or high-frequency trading. Instead, they focus on timeless principles that anyone can understand. Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola is a perfect example. He didn't need to understand the intricacies of the beverage industry to recognize that Coca-Cola had a strong brand, a global presence, and a loyal customer base. He saw the simplicity in its business model and bet on its long-term success. As Jim Rohn would say, success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. In investing, this means sticking to what you know, avoiding unnecessary complexity, and focusing on the fundamentals of the businesses you invest in. Finally, let's talk about the true measure of success. Munger and Buffett are not just great investors, they are also great philanthropists. They understand that wealth is not an end in itself, but a means to make a positive impact on the world. Buffett has pledged to give away the majority of his fortune to charitable causes, and Munger has made significant contributions to education and healthcare. They recognize that true success is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about using that wealth to improve the lives of others. Jim Rohn often spoke about the importance of giving back. He said, "Only by giving are you able to receive more than you already have." This is a powerful reminder that the purpose of investing is not just to enrich yourself, but to create a legacy that benefits others. Ladies and gentlemen, investing like Munger and Buffett is not just about following a set of rules. It's about embracing a philosophy of life, It's about cultivating the right mindset, harnessing the power of compounding, practicing patience and discipline, and using your wealth to make a difference. As you embark on your own journey to financial mastery, remember the words of Jim Rohn. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be your best. Learn from the wisdom of Munger and Buffett, but also forge your own path. The road to success is not always easy, but it is always worth it. So, take the first step today. Invest in yourself, invest in your future, and invest in the world around you. Because in the end, the greatest investment you can make is in becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you, and may your journey be filled with wisdom, wealth, and fulfillment.